Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching and you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're made aware each time I upload a new video. If you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for watching. Today we are doing an unwrap with me, and this particular purse is a part of the Maritime silhouette, or the Maritime collection. The silhouette is a satchel, a barrel, and let me show you the sticker label barcode for it. It does show brown. That is the code for Maritime, and it's a barrel satchel. So y'all, this purse, it is on clearance currently, and I'm not sure if it'll still be there by the time I upload this video. But I've been looking at this collection. I saw it when I went to the outlet as well, and wasn't sure if I wanted to get a piece of this collection or not, but I always thought it was pretty. It's not coated or anything, so it is more of a canvas or quilted material. It does have feet, so that definitely helped with the decision. And in all, I think it's very pretty. Part of my favorite feature of the purse is the glaze. The glaze is like a deep red color. Either a wine or even a Bordeaux color is the color of the glaze. I hope you all can see that. Around the edges. But just to give you a close-up, I think it's a very pretty bag. I do have the shoulder bag as well, and the wallet, which I'll share here shortly. But in all, I think it's a very pretty design. I believe QVC said that this particular design is one of Peter Dooney's favorites. So I'm glad that I was able to get a piece that is one of his favorite designs. That usually means that a lot of thought went into the design of it, and it's something that he may possibly hold near and dear to his heart. I mean, there's so many designs that he has, so if this is one of his favorites, I figured I might need to grab one, or two, or three. And definitely the wallet. So look at the handles, y'all. This is so pretty. Oh, this is pretty. All of this detail. I don't know if I'll be able to hold out on uploading this video, y'all. This is gorgeous. Ooh. Gorgeous bag. It's giving speedy design, I would say, and size, but I would definitely give it a higher quality rating because it is Dooney and Bourke. So as you see, the metal zipper, and I hope I'm not zipping up the paper as I attempt to unzip it. So the zipper goes all the way down on both sides, so that's good. That means it should have a wide opening, and it does. So bright inside. It does come with a shoulder slash crossbody strap as well. It has a lot of stuff in it. This is gorgeous, y'all. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, y'all. I don't know if I'll be able to hold on to this until Satchel September or not. Because it is so pretty. I want to let y'all know about it. Because it's on clearance. Like, go get one. So the back has... This is the back. Yes, that's the back. A zipper with a metal zipper. Trim matches the exterior. Dooney Bourke logo on the slip pocket. And full slip pocket on the front side. And it's not heavy. It is a lightweight bag. So that actually gives you room to load it up with what you want. It's very light. And it does have this key keeper here with the shoulder strap. So I will go ahead and unwrap that. And I'm not sure if I showed you all the hang tag in addition to the label for barrel satchel. And y'all, I thought about getting the drawstring in this print. But if I recall, when I saw the drawstring bag at the outlet, it looked small to me, but I don't really remember if it was that huge of a difference. I believe online it may say 10 by 10, but I just don't really remember how it looked in person as far as the size itself. I want to say it kind of reminded me of the botanical drawstring bag, like the weight of it and the size as well. So this is the strap. Okay, this is a wide strap, which I love. Oh my goodness. I have been wanting a wider strap in this color as well. Look at that glazing, y'all, on that edge. That is so pretty. The metal hardware. The stitching. And I can extend it out to be a longer crossbody or shorten it to just wear it as a shoulder bag. But let me attach it. Oh, this edge. Oh my goodness. Dooney Bourke, y'all knew what y'all were doing. It looks so rich. This color combination. And I have a wristlet this color, y'all. So I'm already trying to think of additional accessories I can pair with it. Oh, wait a minute. It has the it has loops here for the strap. So I don't have to hook it to the handle hardware. I like. I'm glad I got this, y'all. I really had looked over this bag and scrolled. And actually, I want to say the barrel maybe was on and off the site. The other silhouettes were on the site, but the barrel was not. And I'm glad that I got it. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. So, I'm not sure. This zipper is tight too, so I'm gonna have to put some use into it. I believe I'm gonna leave the strap on. I don't think I'm just gonna carry it only as a top handle. I think I'm gonna leave it attached. I may shorten the strap, but I will see. But I love the strap, how wide the strap is, and just in comparison to the handle, so you all can kind of see the width of the strap. Usually, you know, crossbody straps are a little bit narrower than this, but this one is a good width. So in all, y'all, I'm happy with the purchase. Let me show you how it looks with the matching wallet. So I probably need to do a whole Maritime video, because this wallet, and I believe I'm going to show my other hobo first, other silhouette first. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so cute. Look at that. Doesn't that look like a beautiful set? Love it, love it, love it. And I'll put my hobo in the, is it a hobo or a shoulder bag? It's a hobo. My hobo in the shot. So you all can kind of see the difference. This was a part of the summer steals, I believe. So I don't know if this is still going to be available by the time I upload the video for the barrel satchel, but this will definitely be in a separate video for you all to see inside and out and the unwrapping of it. But in all, I went ahead and got the wallet, which I'm glad I did, because I kind of figured I was going to get more than one silhouette. So that would be able to give me pretty good use out of the wallet as well. So y'all, I hope you all like this video. And comment below, let me know if you all were able to grab anything from the Maritime collection. I believe that it has been out for May. I believe it came out last year. I'm not really sure when it debuted. But I just know when I saw it on clearance, I had a feeling that it wouldn't come back. So I went ahead and grabbed some silhouettes in it and the wallet. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. You all know I really do appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. And as always, have a wonderful day.